Welcome back to the channel. Andonstar sent me the AD112 and today we're gonna unbox it and review it. First we find the manual, then we find a really nice carry case. The AD112 is a pocket microscope kit for kids, but also useful for other things. Inside we find the microscope itself. Warning, satisfying moment coming up. The microscope itself is made out of plastic and it does feel that way, but it doesn't feel like a child's toy. Then we have the standard samples that is included with every microscope. A 32GB SD card. And we have some observation boxes to put some bugs or other live animals in. We have two of them, two different sizes, two different depths. Then we have the slide observation box. And the USB-C cable to charge it. And finally we have some tweezers. Here we have a quick overview of the case and all that's in there. Let's put in the SD card to start using it and be sure to charge it before use. Or just like me, plug in the cable to use it and then start it up. I already placed an item in the slide holder just to see if that will work. That does work. Now let's start the recording. And let's focus. As you can see, it does give a really good image of WS2812B. Let's take a look at the image quality of the microscope itself. This is from the SD card and it looks really crisp. I also had a different LED to test and also that came out really good. Now let's take a look at the provided slides. And as expected, these also look really good. Here I try to take a look at some different components, but the slide box is not very good for that. So I have to try and design one myself to make it useful for me. What you can see me do is trying to design a normal stand where you can put the microscope on and place it on a PCB or place it over a component and slide it around so you are more versatile to use this microscope. A link to make a world where you can download the stand will be in the description below. Here you can see the design. It's really basic, but this is all you need to make this microscope so much more versatile. And again, the image is really good if you can keep it stable, and that's why I designed the stand for it. While I'm using this in the background, I'll give you some pros and cons about this microscope. It is small, light, it comes with a carry case, and it has a 900 milliamp hour battery, so it's really useful in the field. I see myself use this to quickly identify a component or something like that. It does give a great image, but it's difficult to keep it steady if you keep it in your hand. That's why I designed the stand. You can adjust the brightness of the LED lights, and overall it's well equipped. You get everything in the box you need. So therefore it gets 2 thumbs up from me. I'll let you decide on your own if this is a kid's toy or not. I would like to thank Andonstar for sending me this microscope. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.